middle sound. So after the child is able to identify the first sound, it's page 16. Okay. For example, this one. Okay, we try ya. For example, this one. Jam. J, m. Jam. So, if the child already able, what is the first sound of jam? J. J. Oh, it's J. The next step, we explain about the middle sound. Okay. Jam. Okay, we try. Let's write the middle. Ask the child how to write the middle sound. Jam. Okay. And then we invite the child to write. Okay. Like that. How about we try again? This one. First, ask to read together. How about we try all first, ya? Jam already. We try this one. Ban, ya. B, n. Ban. This one. F, I, g. Fig. G, m. Gam. N, t. Nat. P, d. Pod. Okay. Now we try. Try to do this exercise. Nat. Nat. Naat. What is the first sound? And then what is the middle sound? And then the child write okay. And then this one, pod. Pod. What is the middle sound? It's O. Pod. Okay. And then fig. What is the middle sound? E. Fig. Okay. And then this one, gum. Gum. Oh. Okay. Gum. And then ban. Ban. Okay. Yeah. So that's how you can teach your child about the middle sound. And we have the other exercise. Yeah. So you get the pink book. The pink book now. Okay.